Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. Friends, if you are a new visitor to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't wait and let us get into today's news. Friends, coming to the first news, KVSR Siddhartha College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vijayawada is organizing a webinar on recent advancement in antiviral drug discovery and development. This is organized by IQAC Cell KVSR SOCPS Vijayawada in association with Antiviral Research Society. And the speaker Professor Dr. P. Selvam, President Antiviral Research Society. And this webinar is going to be held at 11 am in the morning, that is on 9th July 2020. And getting into more details, the registration is free and you can register free with the registration link in the description, and the registration will close by 8th July 2020. And as I said before, the timings are 9th July at 11 am Indian Standard Time, and webinar link will be sent to WhatsApp group 2 hours before the commencement of session. They will create a WhatsApp group. Through that WhatsApp group they announce the webinar link so that you can participate by clicking on the webinar link. And all the details regarding this webinar will be communicated through the WhatsApp group, and after registration you will receive a confirmation mail and e-certificate will be provided after submission of feedback form. Friends, these are the details about this webinar. Please participate and gain some knowledge because antivirals are very important nowadays. Friends, coming to the next news, JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysuru is conducting a e-workshop program on structure-based and ligand-based drug design conducted by Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, and this event is going to be held between 13th and 14th July 2020 and timings are 10 am to 1 pm. And coming to the speakers, day 1, that is on 13/7/2020, Dr. D. Velu Murugan, Research Professor, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Coming to day 2, Dr. Purushottam M. Devang, Founder, MD and Chief Scientific Officer. The Technical Assistant, Dr. Divya Shanmugarajan, Application Scientist, ALTEM Technologies, Platinum Partner of BioViva, Dassault System, Bangalore, India. And for registration, the registration link is already in the description. You can go to the description and register yourself. And you can watch this via YouTube. Friends, these are the details about a 2-day workshop, e-workshop on structure-based and ligand-based drug design. Friends, coming to the next news, Hindu College of Pharmacy is organizing an international webinar on CLINICA, that is HCOP CLINICA 2020, on recent advances in pharmacy practice. This webinar is organized by Department of Pharmacy Practice, Hindu College of Pharmacy. And details about this webinar are: students, teaching professionals and industry delegates from pharmacy, nursing, medical and life sciences can participate in this international webinar. I repeat once again, students, teaching professionals, industry delegates from pharmacy, nursing, medical and life sciences can participate in this international webinar, and e-certificate will be issued to all the participants after completion of this webinar. And the date of this event is 8th July 2020. And getting into more details about the registration, the registration is free, that is you no need to pay any amount for registering this webinar, and the faculty are also eligible, research scholars and students are eligible. Online or offline sessions can be viewed through college YouTube channel, that is you can watch this anytime through their YouTube channel, and attendance and feedback assessment form has to be submitted every day. You must submit the feedback form after completion of the session every day via the link they provide at that time. And participants registered should maintain full attendance for the issue of e-certificate, and this e-certificate will be issued within 2 weeks after submission of AFA form. And the participant can join the online through Zoom link, that is you can watch this to Zoom and YouTube live. And if you have queries, they have mentioned some contact details. You can contact those details and resolve your queries. Friends, coming to the next news, JSS College of Pharmacy is organizing a webinar on drug repurposing using Reaxys, and this is going to be held on 7th July at 11 am in the morning. And you should register in advance for this webinar. The registration link is already in the description. And they said after registration you will receive a confirmation mail containing information about joining the webinar. You may join the webinar through YouTube link provided also. That is you can also watch this webinar via their YouTube channel. and the webinar speaker Dr. Mandar Bodas, Solution Consultant, Research Solution, Life Sciences @Elvisir. Friends, coming to the next news, this is an online international conference series 1 on topic Emerging Challenges and Innovative Solutions in Development Management During and Post COVID-19. And if you want to participate for this international conference series, you can visit this website www.pradeepdwiveda.org or event and register yourself and participate. Friends, this is the news available for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this news with your friends. Friends, information is very vital nowadays. Please pass this information and support me to do more things for you all.